we're gonna throw this off of that. And it's definitely gonna take more than one person to get both of these cabinets on top of that thing and lift it. I think it's gonna be about 20 feet in the air or so. Let's have some fun and destroy some stuff.
You ought to know that you're my best friend. I need you more than kites need wind. We can go together to the very end. Getting lost with you is time well spent.
All right, you guys, it took us a little bit as a team here, but we're on the scissor lift. We have the wood cabinet up here. We're doing some things OSHA approved. I will be safe. The cabinets are not gonna be safe. But we are going to go up and let's see the durability of a wood cabinet versus what we're building in our shop, the welded aluminum frame with the marine plastic on the outside wrapping it. Oh, dude, there we go. You just gotta be smarter than the machine. It's a little shaky up here. And I'm not gonna lie, this is actually pretty high. We're gonna go ahead and throw this wood cabinet off. I feel like we should move the landing spot. We're doing this video and trying to make it super awesome, but also avoiding destroying the parking lot at the same time. You should probably just stand on the deck. I love it. Jake's getting nervous for me. It's perfect. He's a good business partner to have. All right.
Any last words there, sir?
You've served me well so far for the last 2 hours. All right, here we go. Throwing off the wood cabinet. Okay, I gotta be honest, I was expecting it to at least hold up a little bit. That just absolutely exploded. It is in pieces. That's ridiculous. Okay. So I think the point has been made. I know that this is a cheaper cabinet. It's got some particle board in it, also some higher quality maple finish wood on the face. Building with wood is awesome in a house, in a stationary environment. If you're gonna go down washboard roads, if you're gonna go anywhere where the road is gonna be rough, it is not the game. So you can just leave it, man. We'll throw it right on the rubble. Yeah, we're just gonna throw it on the rubble. All right, you guys, now let's test what Grit builds. Let's see what it really truly does and if it holds up to the test that we're doing here today. And I think that we can show that this is a real test. I'm a little nervous because I hope it doesn't bounce back toward the lift. This actually makes me nervous now. I didn't know it was gonna be a bounce test. Heck yeah. Oh, hell yeah, that is great. I think the point is, right, you guys, I haven't seen the wreckage yet. Tyler's filming it right now, but that thing bounced and just rolled. I think that's a testament to what we're building here. Jake said, make sure the people that are picking up their van next week don't see this video. Just kidding, it's not your galley. This is a test sacrificial galley. But years and years of gravel roads is not gonna be a problem. It's amazing. When you come pick up your van, if you, as a Grit Overland owner, need a place to stay, give us a call, let us know. We are right next to a wildlife preserve here. Check this out. This is absolutely beautiful. There's 12 miles of running trails. In those 12 miles of running trails, it takes you down through Camas, Washougal, right along the Columbia River. In the summertime, it's beautiful. You can bring your stand-up paddleboard. The water is like 70 degrees and there's a white sandy beach. Hopefully you're catching some of the beauty along with the destruction. All right, you guys. Oh, okay. Well, that's good to know. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. Jake is off camera But that frame, the reason it's a test dummy is because it was a second. The welder made a mistake when they did it, and it was welded not square. But I mean, you can see what happened in here. The damage, the scuff, like full 25-foot drop off the top of that thing onto asphalt with metal and wood. But yeah, I mean, what we just did to that is pretty minimal damage, and we just bounced it. And you know, there's some damage to it, right? But I want to point something out here. There's not a bunch of cracks. One of the things that we get questions about all the time and that people talk about is, oh yeah, 6061 aluminum, it's gonna crack or it's gonna have problems. I just threw it off of 25-foot lift onto asphalt. I'm seeing no cracks on the weld, but there's not cracks on all these welds. So they still are in really good shape. There's one little crack here, like it looks like the edge tried to crack, but that's exactly where it bounced, right on top of there, on that corner when I threw it off. But you guys, building durability one cabinet at a time, and I want to point out it's not just the Galley that's built this way. It is the entire van. All the structures in the van are built on welded aluminum frames and then wrapped for durability for thousands and thousands and thousands of miles of washboard roads and use and enjoyment by your family, not worrying about your van. One of the failures in van life / RV industry, that is a standard RV manufacturer is going to build all of their cabinets out of wood. Like I said earlier in the video, in a stationary scenario like a house, that's great. But what ends up happening to wood, if you've got it joined together over time with all the rattling and the washboard roads and the tweaking of the chassis and the moving of the metal, it's all designed to flex. When wood flexes, when the joints are glued and nailed and screwed together with wood screws, they slowly loosen over time. What does that mean for you as an end user? It's going to rattle, it's going to squeak, it's going to lose its strength. So it starts to fall apart over a very short period of time, like less than a year. You add 5,000 miles or 3,000 miles to one of these vans with wood cabinets, and you're going to have a van that makes a lot of noise even just driving it down the road. The reason we do bolts into threaded holes is because if that bolt ever comes loose because you did 100 miles of washboard roads, you take a hex wrench or an Allen wrench, you take that bolt out, put a little Loctite on it, put it back into the threaded hole. It's not a wood screw, it's not a self-tapper, it is a bolt into a threaded hole, and it fixes the rattle. Wood screws, you can't really do that. You can maybe try it. There's a couple of like Jimmy rigged toothpick fixes with wood glue, and it's hokey. It never ends up right the way that it was from the beginning. Wood cabinets can be built very well for a stationary environment. We don't want you to have, as our sales manager Kirk likes to call it, the one-man band in the back of your van. The van starts out nice and tight and quiet, and in a few thousand miles, you now have a bunch of rattling and squeaking in the back of the van that honestly, my personal experience is driving that even down the freeway, if the freeway is even a little rough, like it is oftentimes in California, you have so much noise in the back that you get tired from driving with that noise in the background. Whereas when you drive a van that has cabinets that are built this way, it's a nice quiet ride, you can have a normal conversation, and it's just a game changer for you as an owner. So if you're looking for stronger, quieter, and something that's gonna last a lot longer because it's better quality, then look no further, you found it. Dive into some of our other videos that show even more about this technology that we've implemented and put into every one of our vans that goes out the door. What we would love to do is, now that you guys have seen this thing thrown off the top of a lift, come see behind the scenes. Come see our Galley stress test. It's sitting out here at the shop, and you can actually see the damage to it. You can inspect the welds yourself if you want to. And you can also walk through the shop and see how everything's put together and what will actually go into your van, from insulation to infrastructure to paneling to electrical and everything else that goes in there. We start with quality right from the beginning, you guys, and that's what will go into your van. So give us a call, schedule a tour with Kirk, and we'd love to meet you in person here at Grit Overland headquarters.